Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically I guess reset your character when it's like lagging or stuck in Bloxburg or any Roblox game actually. But this is the game I played that I get like buggy sometimes, well most of the times. So for instance, I'm like carrying a food item that I wanted to cook, and it's just like stuck there, and I want to reset my character. You don't actually have to get out of the game to fix that. So select this Roblox icon, just select R on your keyboard or select respawn. So you have to do it here, reset, and then press the reset button. It's just going to basically load it up again. So your friends, for instance, your friends already gave you permission on Bloxburg. They don't need to give it to you again just because you just respawned your character and you didn't really have to um, turn on and off like the game. Yeah. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.